channel, Doreeza's Daily Deets, where I discuss everything from fashion, beauty, luxury to lifestyle. And as you can tell by the title, this is the long awaited, but not really that long because it just came out, but this is the Beyonce Adidas by Ivy Park, or is it Ivy Park by Adidas try on haul. So I haven't done one of these types of videos in such a long time, so I'm really excited. I got the ring light on extra bright because you guys gotta get into these looks before we get started. Though, if you have not hit that subscribe button, make sure you go ahead and hit that right now. And if you have not hit that notification bell yet, I'm not sure what you're waiting for, but you want to go ahead and hit that right now as well. Make sure you also are giving this video a huge big thumbs up, and make sure you're sharing, commenting, liking, all that good stuff, because of course that's how your girl is going to continue to keep growing here on this platform. And of course, I just like making videos, and I love when you guys show me some love. So without further ado, we're just going to go ahead and just jump right into the video. Okay, so yes, guys, I was able to get my hands on some of this Adidas Ivy Park collab with Beyonce, and y'all, it was tough. And I'm just gonna be all the way 100 with you guys. I was not able to even get anything. Well, I was only able to get one thing that I originally wanted from the line. So let me just give you a little backstory about how my buying experience went. I'm not gonna ramble too much, but I kind of just want to let you guys know, in case you were still interested in trying to get your hands on some of this stuff. I want to drop a couple gems, a couple tips. First of all, if I could do this differently, I will not go with the Adidas website ever again. I honestly should have did my research before trying to buy this collection, because clearly I was just all the way off with that. So basically, I had 4 items in my cart. I was super excited. As soon as the timer dropped, I hit purchase. I had did like the fast checkout thing prior to the time, prior to the time of the release. And y'all, I was so excited because they said that my purchase went through, right? So of course I'm like, okay, I didn't get a confirmation email. And I'm like, well, what's going on? Did it really go through? I won't believe it till I actually see a confirmation. Let me tell y'all what happened, y'all. So with that being said, I wait, and then I look and I'm like, hold on, there's only one item. So I'm like, hold on, out of all those items, why is there only one item? What did I do wrong? I go back on the website, literally everything sold out. So I was pissed off. I was sad because I'm like, I really want to get on here, do a like haul for you guys. I'm like, I can't do a haul with one item. I can't even really do an unboxing with one Ivy Park piece. I mean, that's a waste of you guys' time. So I'm like, all right, let me figure something out. So I go on my Instagram, handy dandy Instagram, of course, and people are just like, okay, if you go to this store, and then the stores they were naming were actually really small, like boutique type stores. And I'm like, okay. They're like, okay, well, it's dropping tomorrow at such and such store. So I'm like, okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna really try to get my hands on a few more pieces, because the stuff was, first of all, the stuff was expensive. So it wasn't anything that I was trying to go break the bank on, even though I did kind of break the bank just on the few little pieces that I got. Anywho, but yeah, so I'm just like, okay, let me go ahead and at least try some of these other boutiques. So I was lucky enough the next day, when it dropped, I went straight to the website of like a smaller store. I actually put the name, if you're in the greater Cleveland area, the name of the store, I'll drop it below. But yeah, so I was able to go ahead and snag up here. Well, I was able to snag an item because I wanted to be a surprise. But I was able to snag an item that complemented the first item that was in my cart. I'll put it like that. And then something else was like, okay, just keep Googling, keep trying different sites, because I want something else. But of course, I'm not about to just buy something for the sake of doing a video that I'm not going to wear or use, especially for the prices of the items. I mean, I guess you can always return it. I have an infant, you guys know that if you've been watching my channel, and I just don't have time to be running in and out of stores. So it's gonna have to be something that I really see myself buying and able to use. With that being said, went to Finish Line. And I know you guys are probably thinking, Finish Line, that's not a store that's unknown. Everybody knows about Finish Line, but let me tell you, Finish Line actually did have a few pieces left over. It's not saying that I didn't really want the particular item that I got. It was just not one of my first choices. When I really was able to explore the Adidas site, I did not originally have this item in my cart, but I did like it when Beyonce was wearing it. So once I try all these items on, you'll get to kind of see what that is. So I say all that to say, if you are still trying to get your hands on some of this collection, to be honest, it is probably going to be sold out from all of the stores that I just named, except for maybe a few leftover pieces, but the sizing is probably really going to just be crap, to be completely honest. So that's what I ran into there. So yeah, now we're here and we're at the try on portion of the video. I want to go ahead and just show you what I got, but this time it's going to be a little different. I'm actually going to talk through the try on portion because some of these items, I mean, I'm just going to say it like it is. I mean, clearly this was Beyonce's park and we were just in it. So the name of the collection is This Is My Park, and I'm really starting to see that it really was just her park because I don't know how I feel about the fit, and you'll see. You'll see. I don't want to ramble on too much longer, but thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and just stay tuned for the try on portion of this video. Okay guys, so here is look number one. So if you probably have guessed, the top or the item that I was really like, the one that I wanted the most, it was this top here. Now that I have it on though, let me go ahead and just talk a little bit about this top here. So this retailed for $75 US, and I loved how it looked on Beyonce. Now on me, I'm not 100% sure if I'm sold on it yet. And it's not really more so for the because of how it looks, it's the way it feels. So this gives me like a waist trainer, bustier, like suck you in kind of vibes, which I mean, that's all fine and dandy, but I don't know where I will be going where I would need to wear a bustier waist trainer. Like, I don't know, I even thought about maybe trying to put like a button down or something up under this, and guys, I don't see that even being possible, to be quite honest. I mean, this is like, you know, like back, like in, I don't know if it was like the early 1900s when they would have those dresses that were like, hold you in, suck you in. I mean, this is that. So, I mean, yes, I do appreciate it because your girl needs it. Your girl does have rolls. Your girl has love handles, all of that stuff. But this top, it's cute. I do like the top. I don't even really know where I will be going. I don't generally go places where I need to be showing this much cleavage, to be honest. I mean, I'm a mom. I'm normally doing mom things. I don't really see where I will be going where I would need for my chest to be exposed. You guys get where I'm going with this. But nonetheless, I actually do like the top. I think it's cute. I love how it has this detailing right here of the Adidas, but it's almost like a dressier type look. So I really am into that, and that's what I really like about it. But as far as, you know, the functionality of this piece, you guys know that I generally like to buy things that I really foresee myself wearing more than once, and I don't know, I don't even know if I can wear this once, to be all the way honest. But this item I actually did purchase directly from Adidas. This is the one item that did remain in my cart that I was able to snag when the release dropped on October 29th, I believe. So yeah, this is it. Now, the next item you probably have noticed are the pants. Now, it's not that I don't like these pants. These pants actually are very comfortable. I am really like into these. Let me pull it down in the back. Only thing with this is they're just extremely wide. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hopefully if I stand back far enough, you can tell. But the bottom of these pants are like extremely wide. So I honestly would probably have to wear like a heel or something, or definitely like a platform sneaker. And I don't know, the sneakers in this collection, they just weren't doing it for me, to be honest. So I didn't purchase any of the sneakers, but I definitely see, you know, how that platform sneaker that she added with the collection would definitely work well with these pants if you want a more casual look. I don't know what other type of shoe I would have that would really complement the length of these pants. But as far as the comfortability, they're great. I had a different pair of pants. It was the other pants. I'll insert a picture. Those are the ones that I originally wanted. So these were just kind of like my, I guess, like fallback pants. Second choice, you know, take what you can get pants. But other than that, I mean, yeah, I like it. They have a drawstring waist. These are both size larges, by the way. And this has like the Ivy Park emblem going down the side here, which I think is really, really cute. It has pockets. I love pants with pockets. I mean, and the quality of these pieces, impeccable. I believe these pants were $95 US, if I'm not mistaken. I really can't link any of these items because, to be honest, they're all sold out. But yes, $95 if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, ultimately, I really think that this is these are some really, you know, the outfit altogether is really cute. Don't know where I'm going, how many times I'll get to wear it, but yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and just move on to the last item. I was only able to snag 3 things that I actually liked, that I thought was really worth me picking up and showing you guys that I would actually wear. So let me go ahead and just throw on the last item. Here it is. Yes, I got the infamous super long windbreaker jacket. Hopefully this camera is doing this some justice. I may have to move it back because you guys really need to see this. Hold on one second. All right, hopefully you guys are able to really kind of get into this look. You know, get into it. This is the jacket. I love a long jacket. You guys know me. If it's not down to my ankles, I don't want it. So yes, I like the jacket a lot. It wasn't originally in my cart because there were just other items that I wanted over the jacket. I did have to kind of pick and choose because the price points of these items were on the steep side. You know, I'm just a regular working 9-to-5 girl with an infant, single mom. So, you know, I had to do what I could do. But guys, yes, I actually really, really like the jacket. I'm actually really happy that I went ahead and purchased the jacket because it's just so me. Like, anybody that knows me knows I love a cute, oversized jacket. I actually kind of am liking it with this new look. Look at me, giving beyonce. Yes. Okay, but anywho, but yes, it has just like the stripes down the side. This side says Ivy Park. Get into it. So yes, and then what's interesting about this jacket, so it does have a hood. Let me put the hood up. It has a hood, so of course, you know, can't go wrong with a hooded jacket. But another feature, it has a face mask, y'all. Y'all see that? This is definitely 19 approved. You guys know what I mean. So, yes. Yes, yes, yes. And I honestly didn't even know about that part until I watched a review or like another video talking about it. I'm like, oh, I just liked it because it had a good length. But yeah, guys, so this is it. These are all the pieces that I purchased. You know, this is cute. This is just your basic windbreaker. I really don't foresee myself being able to wear this anytime past. Wait, what is this? Oh, guys, look. It has, I didn't even know it came with this. Hold on, y'all. Beyonce giving extra features out here? Oh, it has an Ivy Park thing. I don't know what this is. Does this come loose? Is this a belt? Maybe you can like, I have to kind of see. I don't know, maybe I'll do a styling video with this and try to figure this part. I didn't even know it had this attached. What does the other pocket have? Hold on, y'all. Am I missing stuff? I'm sorry. Am I doing an unprepared haul? Like I said, I literally just got this stuff in the mail today. So you guys are finding out stuff right when I'm, you know, as this video's going. But yeah, I don't even see how to get into the, oh, here's the zipper. Okay. So yeah, this even has a little extra something added, belt loop or something like that. I'm not 100% sure what that is, but I'll have to research it and find out. We didn't have time to really research these items. We had to hurry up. So honestly, when I was like, oh, can I get this? Is it available? I like it. Click. buy. That's how it went, y'all. I didn't have time to even think about what the heck these items were, you know, the details of these items. I just had to look at it, see if I like the aesthetic, and that was it. All right, guys. So that brings us to the end of the video. This was really fun. I don't get to do these kind of videos often, but I hope you guys made it to the end. I have nothing else. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you have any comments, leave them down below. If you want to hear anything else about, you know, how you may be able to get your hands on the collection next time, because there are going to be other drops. Don't worry, if you weren't able to buy anything and you don't want to pay those resale prices, trust me, just you know, let me know down below. And if you have any of these pieces, let me know how they fit you, and if you've been getting them, what do you think of the quality, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.